Two skills. That's all that actually build income. Leadership and marketing sell products and build downlines. Nothing else does. And every system you've been handed was designed to keep you busy enough that you never sit down and learn either of them. I want you to really hear that. The home business, affiliate marketing, and MLM industry has spent years building systems that cater to weakness, not systems that make you stronger, not systems that build real skills, systems that keep you dependent. And once you see this pattern, you can't unsee it. Think about what you did yesterday to grow your business. If you're being honest, you probably checked off a task list somebody else wrote. You copy-pasted a post. You sent a templated message. You watched a 45-minute training that could have been 3 minutes. And at the end of the day, you felt busy. You felt like you did something, but your income didn't move. Not a dollar. Because none of that sharpened the only two skills that actually put money in your account. Leadership and marketing. That's it. Leadership and marketing sell products and build downlines. Nothing else. Not busy work, not task list, not post this graphic at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. Those things look like progress. They feel like progress, but they're designed to feel that way. That's the trick. Let me explain why this keeps happening. When someone new comes into affiliate marketing or any home business, what's the first thing they hear? Just follow the system. And that sounds amazing, right? Especially if you've never done this before. Especially if the idea of selling makes your stomach flip. You hear, just follow the steps, and you think, finally, something I can actually do. I don't need to be good at sales. I don't need to know marketing. I just need to follow directions. But ask yourself, who benefits from you staying inside that system? Not you. You benefit from learning skills that work anywhere, with any product, in any market, for the rest of your life. The system benefits from you staying dependent on it. Because the moment you learn real marketing, how to actually attract people who want what you have, you don't need their scripts anymore. The moment you develop real leadership, how to genuinely help people get results, you don't need their cookie-cutter training calls anymore. Here's the part that should make you angry. The FTC has published data showing that the majority of participants in multi-level marketing companies earn little to nothing after expenses. We're talking figures so low, they don't cover a tank of gas in a month. And it's not because the people are lazy. It's because the systems they're following were never built to develop the two skills that actually create income. They were built to keep people busy. Busy people don't ask hard questions. Busy people don't leave. Now look, I'm not saying every system out there is garbage. I'm saying you need to look at what any system is actually training you to do. Is it teaching you how to get attention from the right people? That's marketing. Is it teaching you how to cast a vision and help someone believe in themselves enough to take action? That's leadership. If it's not doing one of those two things, it's a distraction wearing a productivity costume. You don't need to become some marketing genius overnight. You don't need a business degree. You don't need to be on camera 12 hours a day, but you do need to spend real time on the real skills, even 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes learning how to write a message that makes someone stop scrolling. 30 minutes studying what makes a person say yes instead of let me think about it. 30 minutes practicing how to lead a conversation instead of reading off a script someone else wrote. Here's what happens when you do that. Your income stops resetting every Monday morning. Right now, most people in this space start every single week from zero. No momentum, no compounding, just another week of the same checklist that produced the same flat results last week. But when you build real skill, when you can actually attract and lead people, everything compounds. One good piece of content brings people to you for months. One person you genuinely help become someone who tells 5 others. That's how momentum actually works. That's real. The shortcut nobody's selling you a system wants you to find is this. Stop perfecting somebody else's process and start developing your own ability. Marketing and leadership aren't talents you're born with. They're muscles. And right now, the industry has you doing bicep curls with a foam roller and wondering why nothing's growing. So strip the noise away. Look at your calendar tomorrow and ask one question. Does this activity make me better at marketing or better at leadership? If the answer is no, replace it with something that does. That single filter will change your trajectory faster than any new program, any new product launch, any new ground floor opportunity ever could. By the way, if you want a system that actually sharpens those two skills instead of replacing them, start by joining my free masterclass. I will show you how to set up a done-for-you sales system that not only handles the selling so you can focus on the marketing and leadership that actually compound. Once set up, this system pays out 80% recurring commissions. The link's in the description below. I'm Home Biz Joe. Thanks for watching.